Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about decimal to binary number system conversion. So, uh, this is a very traditional way to do it. Let's say we have a number in decimal, and that is 25 decimal, right? So we want to convert it into binary. So what you will do, since we know that we have to convert number or decimal number into any other base, there is a logic. What you have to do, you have to divide that number with the base of the other number in which you want to convert. So since we want to convert decimal number system into binary, that means the base of binary is 2. So we will divide 2 5 or 25 number with the by the 2. So let's see how we can do it. So for the division method, you have to do like this: 25, and now you need to divide by 2. So if you divide 25 by 2, you will have 12 as a question, and remainder you will save it sidewise, so it will be 1. Similarly, you will divide 12 again with 2. So you will have a 6, and there will be no remainder, or 0 remainder will be, and you will save that remainder again. By applying the same approach, you will divide 6 again, or the question which came in the last division, that is 6 by 2. So this time question would be 3, and again we don't have any remainder, so that is 0. Again, question is 3. Now you will divide that question by 2, or the base 2. So you will have a remainder, question 1, and remainder also 1. And this is the point where we will stop this division process, where we are finding 1, which is basically less than this base. So this is the point, or this is the key point one need to remember, because it is applicable to any other conversion method as well. So you need to stop here where this question is less than this base, right? And now what I have to do, I have to uh, save these reminders, and as well as very last question. So what are those? This 1110001, and this is our answer. And how we will save it? Look, starting from this question, the very last question, 1, then this one which was the last reminder, 1, then 0, 0, and 1. So one can simply write 11001. So this is the binary equivalent of 25 decimal, 11001, right? And uh, if you want to verify it, you can go and perform the binary to decimal conversion. I will just perform directly, otherwise you can see my tutorial. So it is basically 1, this is nothing but 2, this is 4, and this is 8, and then 16. So if you add them up, eventually we are crossing to 25. So in this way we can also verify whether we are performing a right conversion or not. Okay, that's it from this video tutorial. If you have any confusion in this conversion decimal to binary, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.